Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your social security number on Cash App. First, open Cash App and make sure you're signed in. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Under the Verification of Identity section, check if it says Verified. If not verified, tap Verify and follow the prompts. Cash App may ask for your SSN, address, government-issued ID, or proof of income. Important note, you cannot view your SSN on Cash App, but you can confirm if your identity is verified using these steps. And that's it. That's how to see your social security number on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.